Khublei pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta kasni kilong. Berthen u Dr. Mukul ye ke sorkar Meghalaya knep biang por ban lait negara Thai. Persyang kasnong kelem sangrin ban kro moina. Dau sneak in kentha u Dr. Mukul ye ke sorkar MDA halor kelintiren. Bat thung thning ding ki pai ba bikinong yalam ke EWMS haklau tentang laudatu si omsni. Bat mentang pa syaki khubor bakhan dunia. U Dr. Mukul Sangma u Menteri Rang Ba Bemenchwa. Da ka baberthen u lepin kenmau ye ke sorkar Meghalaya ye ke ketin temen. Knep biang por ban lait negara Thai. Stitch in time saves nine. Halor ke jingle sting ban penbiang ye kilat ya da na kebenta kipat nyong shong shnong bat ye kinong wan jungok kai perthei hakini ke Jylla. Ulapin kenmau baka sorkar Jylla ha Khuborjylla Dr. Mukul kalasan durbun kilat ya da ki ba ajing shngan ye kipat ba bat ye kibriu ki ba wan kai suwari syakani ke Jylla. Da ka bapendat ye close circuit television camera CCTV haki police station ke sor Shillong bat ki jaka pedeng bajuyat bun briu na dudang step hadu bandami. U Dr. Mukul ula berthani ke sorkar jong konrad da ke boong ke sorkar ke lekentiu bat penjelai di ke jaka sa ye ki turis kat ba kampen biang ye ke jing shngan jong ki pat nong shong shnong bat ye ki nong wan jungok kai perthei. U Dr. Mukul ulong ke sorkar kam shim le pentri kam ye ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act. Ula penpau ke jing sngosi ye ke jing yap jong wei unong wan jungok kai ye ke Meghalaya hakini kisngi. Ula ai jing mut ye ke sorkar Jylla da ka boong bakam biang ban perta perthei ye ke jing itenat jong ke Meghalaya deiru ban penbiang ye ki lat jing da ki ba penshingan ye ki briu bawan nabar ban wan petka ye ke Meghalaya.
I would like to definitely share the concern of every citizen about this loss of life of these our dear tourists who have chosen Meghalaya as probably the safest destination. I condole the unfortunate loss of life of this family, but at the same time there is no time to play politics. Whatever I have said, government must take cognizance of this. It may not be an act which is perpetrated by members belonging to any banned organization. It may not be an act of a member belonging to any militant outfit. But it can be because of what is already prevailing in the state of Meghalaya. So wake up. The citizens must wake up. Wake up. All of us must wake up. I don't see that much of aggressive, focus. Priority is missing in this regard. You see what has happened. What is happening elsewhere in the Western world? All because of forgetting the importance of going by the spirit of stitch in time. Stitch in time saves nine. So let us do things right in time. We can still arrest this unfortunate momentum of surge of youth becoming victims of the substance abuse and somehow see that our youth are somehow liberated from this bondage, and at the same time ensure that all these jobs which are lying vacant. I've been speaking about these vacancies for last few years. These are accumulating. The vacancies which we are talking about now are cumulative vacancies that has taken place over the years. Now, why the government doesn't want to fill up these vacancies on time? Why it takes so much of time? Every youth who are completing their studies, they would like to be part and parcel of this whole recruitment process of government for different departments, because they want to be part and parcel of the various agencies under the government so that they can serve the people. They want to be part of this whole process of serving people and being part of the governance. And that is something which generates that kind of, the whole aspiration, hope, thereby pushing the youth to dream bigger and bigger. But in absence of job, now you see youth who are master degree holders in arts and science, they are being engaged by private schools. I interacted with many of
Kipat ba kasnong klem sangrin kabadon ha Southwest Khasi Hills District ha kajingelam jong ba BS imli kila persyang leni eksperimen ban kro moina ban wansyong wansa ah ka klau adong da kabawa bun tiligiru balathan kerpang na kabenta kini kisim ban wan bu skum knang bakin kapeleng bat pu khon ban roy ha kini ka klau Khubor senchar shnong kilakang da ka adong shnong ban siat sim ne siat marat ha kani ka klau. Ya kani ka jing persyang lale ha ka sngi rakhe penne maryang ha ka santarik u Jylliew ha ka klau adong jong kani ka shnong. Kinongelam bat kidukot jong ka Hill Farmers Union HFU ha ka jingelam jong ba Alphanbird Carson Tiu kila shiminta ha ka jing rakhe penne maryang ha kani ka shnong. Hakani ka sngi la thung bon jat ki thning ding hakani ka klau adong ban pen itanat bat ban kring ye kisim ka sun beneng ban wan shong wan sa haka kum balong ka kper eden haka jing pet bat jing sharai jong upakulong kuma wa adam haba ublei ulathau ye ka mei maryang na ka benta ukhon ban reu da ka jing kemen kilong kemi kilong kpa ki samla bat ki khulung khna kilami ban shimenta haka jing thung thning ding ha ka klau adong ha ka ni ka sngi
le cheyeng ngakwa ya ka ba pinpek ha ka sla ka ba ar ka sla ka baningkom ka sla ka ba ar te kata kadai how genesis kelonong ka ba ar ka dekat ka ba khatsan ngakwa ba pinpek ya kata ka dekat da fi po cheyeng ki badan bible hang tu ka tho kumno nangta ublei ulabu yau adam haka kper eden ba untrei bat ba un sumariaka kabamut ba nadu ba ublei ulathau yakani kamay maryam ublei ulathau ya kajing itanat joka kper eden ublei ulaong ba don kam ya unong sumar badai nangta ulathau ya adam bat ulapin Khubor hau adam ban sumar ya ta ka kper eden ka ba ublei ulathau pen itanan kalong thik ke jing pet mau yangi kum ubriu ro ba ublei ulathau yangi ubriu bandan hakane ka khndo na ka benta ban rat ban riang na ka benta ban sumari ki thinti biskut na ka benta ban pen na ban pen khai ki sambai na ta batru ban pen im ye kini ki ding ki siet ki ba ublei ula ai hadukan ni para nongrap ngan yuthu ipi kalong ka baremdor hadu kata-kata balada phithit hi yau ding lada phithung hi yau ding lada phisumar yau ding hadu sans nem bat nangta utau ding unsa hehi kalong ka baremdor hadu kata-kata ngan yuthu
kakarteng jonga kadai pasan modun simli bat kumjur ngidon hangne yu steri jongka forest environment committee ngaru kum chaman bat kumjur kit perdekot ngidon lang hangne menta na ka bantawan pelong ya kane kajing rakhe ya ka world environment day kajing thmu jongi ban rakhe ya kane ka long ba ban thung ding hapo jong kane klau ngi sokman isubun ko por kajing trilang jong kinong sing hi baro kawe ngila ban thung ni ding om tang mentah hari kisna momen suar kumjo te kajing thmu jongi banthong giding kalong ba kumba kita men ge jongi kilari kinu sumar ya kane klau nadu isna mendri khau syapo te kadai ka kamram jongi pat mentah bangin ri men sumar ka kadai kamram ge jongi pat bangin nang pen ha shu ya ka nomor kata kane por na kalyang jongi ni penong khnang ya kane ka program thungding na ka banta ban penbuni kiding nang ta ban NAKA bentar ko mujuk Khubor NAKA bentar bantung kini kiding so ki wei ki jading kiding klau ne ba kan long ru ki jaka syong jo kisim ka jaka kalong ru ki ding ki ba ai ba mi kisim bar kum ta ter de nakalang jongi ru ngilabu ru hang ne ya kini kiru moina ha kan ne ka bunai ki baladap ngila penlong ya kajing bu ikini kiru moina ki bodah ne klau NAKA
Dr. Mukul Sangma unong ilam kaliang persya ahiyeng dorbar thawan ke Jylla ulak sam do usni ki ing ya ke jingle jong ke sarkar MDA belai lam do menteri rangba ukon rat ke Sangma. Dr. Mukul ulapen pau ke jinglingo da ke bekeli kumnu ke sarkar ka khot ikising sanhima banya kren ye kam linti rel ha ke komiti balathau klempat ye mirjing mut shwa bat kising sanhima. Haga jing shisha ulong ka sarkar ka dei banya mir bat ya tai shwa ya kata ka phang ka baya dei bat ka linti rel bat kinongelam jong kising san hima hadin balaya tai bat ya mir jing mut en pen bot seda ka jing thau ya ka committee linti rel ka sarkar jong ukon rat ka lepen ken bat yu rot ya ka sinchar pat ba ka baplelat ya kising san hima ki bamdon ha ka sarkar ban pen pau ya ka jing sngo bat jing mut jong ki na ka benta ka bha ka miat jong ki pat ba ulo ong kani ka rukom trekam ka penwit bat khanglat ik jing ai jing mut na ka liang kising san hima perthai ki bamdon ha ka sarkar bat ka yat persya ya ka nongrim trekam jong ka sinchar pat ba
I have shared with all of you earlier. Now, what was the suggestion that was given by the political parties in the August House during the last session? The last session is that call the political parties, call us. Now, has the government called us? Has the government called us?
Doctor, the government hasn't communicated anything.
No, government has asked for a committee. I have asked them to call us. Committee and calling us and discussing is two different things, no?
Doctor, I asked.
So you have to understand as a press also what Mukul Sangma is saying. Because if the CM doesn't understand, I think this particular view which I am articulating in front of you must be probably able to make him understand what I meant. I meant that he should call us. Let us put our heads together first. Then rope in and see if there are areas of concern, and all those areas of concerns, the riders with which the civil society organizations have come up. For us, we know all the riders. The riders have been there all along. Therefore, what we understand is that the people of the state, who are represented also by the members of the leaders of various civil society organizations, are saying that we will not be agreeable to the government's decision to go ahead with the railway project unless there is a rider. Therefore, how are we going to deal with this rider? This and that we will have to first discuss amongst ourselves, not in the committee, with all those who are expressing their concern. We already know it. Therefore, how we want to resolve, is there a way out? Is there a way out? So let us first discuss this. This is what, with my utmost endeavor, I have tried to communicate in the House.
Well, Doctor, I spoke.
You cannot expect that you will form a committee and put anybody in the committee and we will go and discuss in the committee. Then we don't even know what is the actual stand of the government. We don't even know what exactly is the right approach, the way out. We don't even know without discussing. When we discuss, then we will put the possibilities first. Without that, it is like going to a meeting without knowing the subject.
Well, Doctor, in fact, yesterday I asked Chief Minister categorically about this, and he has assured that the committee will be flexible in talking to political parties first, then going to the stakeholders.
That is precisely what I said. What is that committee? Why can't you call the leaders of the party first and sit? You have to understand who you are talking to, na?
Jylliew Mission Society umsning kalaraki kesngi penek mariang ha kan riu terik Jylliew da ka bathung thning ding ban penjerngam ya kami mariang. Lathung Shispatan Rai ki thning ding halau kentang lum Kenny jongga Shillong Archdiocese balajer kerteng Laudato Si Garden. Ki balashimenta ya kini ke program thung thning ding ki kentup yu Reverend Padar Pius Shadap Episcopal Vicar but Director jongga Jylliew Mission Society EWMS but lasenran de ki dekhot ke sengrang ba Catholic senglong kemi ki catechist ki sister ki samla ki kena school na Balawan High Secondary Education umsning ba Boniface L Lingkoi ba Niki Kharthang Mau ba Kit Dorius Dekar program coordinator ke Jylliew Mission Society. Kinongelam ke Jylliew Mission Society ki penpau ke jing sngongu ya ke office Range Forest Officer ke bajuyai kershan de ki thning ding man kapor ha ke jing don kam jong ke ni ke society.
Unsahe te ulap iu hibet. Ikit cinta. Yang kini te. Nah, ya sister.
Working President Keseng United Democratic Party UDP Ubat Titos Khan ha ke jingkren kila pathai Khubor ha ke santerik Jylliew. Ulai thu bikinongelam ke UDP ki kernga banyakren halor kapang ban penyesno lintirel ha Shillong bat Giant Hills bat ki dekhot jong ke special committee balathung bat thau da ke sarkar Jylla. Ubat Titos ulong lada dei banyakren ye kini kapang dei banyakren para nongelam kiseng san hima embat kinong trei jong ke sarkar Jylla. Ulai thu baka UDP ke lejit uba titos bat ba lakmen rembui ban mi khmat ya keseng ban ye kren bekinong elam jong kiseng sensyar jong ke sarkar Jylla. Ulong ru baka UDP kan lumi kinong elam keseng ban ye merjing mut shwa ban ye kren bat ke sarkar Jylla. Ulai thu ru baka UDP ke yang scam ha kinong rim ban penklan ye ki an ya dajat ban riu bat ye minta kidang persya ya kelentirel. Tang ban penken mau ye ki pai pa kini kethan karel kalada poi ha Meghalaya ha kilum garu. Hatu ke jing kren lentirel ha kini ke kenti kala ban long ban pen poi rel ha ribhoi ha Shillong ha Jawai ni ha kli riat. Ke sarkar Meghalaya ne ke sarkar India kimpat keren syai hadu minta.
Oh, ini layak keren dulu yang ini kebentar kok ke komiti ke tungi atau bah nilai itu ban isim mentah ke orang pasti penting lebih ini keren kalau ke itu ke sarkar dan pan yang kejimun lagi nongelam berarti tiga lajit yang di angut di nomifat berarti kata kita lajit yang bagi bah kemudian pembui bagi nomifat berarti akan kita dan bahas suara nilai ini dalam kan sadang ke jenis selong jumut agak bangin pan yang ke jumut nak dibarok ki MLA ki MDC ki leaders of the party ke ke bangin perselo haganika all party meeting mereka spang ke party hadu mentah long ba kat bampat dan ya mechanism ke biang kamu idang persyai semua macam semua ada halu kata kan rim bangilu nak kalian ke party ni ong bangi dei ban yasim mentah
Menteri Rangba Ukonrat ki sangma ringkat ke kinhun Menteri Sarkar Jylla usong knor ke ying darbar Thawan u Thomas E sangma bat bon ngut ki MLA ki leshimenta de ke jingshong shit a ke santerik Jylliew banthung thning ding saudong ke atat jong ke ying darbar Thawan bathamai ke bedan hamau diang New Shillong. Kinoilam jong kini ke Jylla ki lerai kut ru da ke bepuli ke jingkular tempang ban penlong ya ke Meghalaya ke bejerngam lenter bat ke bekhut besuba. Menteri Rangba ulalong ukongsan ha ke jingelang ha kini ke sengi. Ha ke jingkren ulan nyautang ye ki kam ba ke sarkar MDA ha ke jingelam ke NPP kala lebon ki kam ban penek pensa bat ban penjerngam ya ke mei mariang. Ha kini ke jingelang Menteri Rangba ulai thu pai ba ia kathong ba ka sarkar kalabo ban pendep haki snem banwan. Hakini kinyau snem balala ulong ladap thung arspa million teli kitning ding haki arpu ar hajar hektar ka khandau. Ulong ru ka sarkar kalasiu bai penek klau shikit rajaka ke blete soskular bat ka sarkar banumpom ye kiding kisit bat bantung tning ding haki jaka ki baselet. Bat dakini gi khubor ngila poi shika bakut tak radu pengidai syambiang kublai shibot.